Let's see how it goes. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Check one, test one. Yes, good deal. Okay. Live now. Yeah, works. Wow. Hi there. This is AK. Some of you guys know me as a Crazy Russian. I'm with main model store in Cincinnati, Ohio, and we'll start really quick in a few minutes. Just warm up, and let me see how's everything on Twitch. I'm broadcasting on 2 platforms right now, so that, and on YouTube as well. Let me check a couple of things on YouTube. One note for my Russian-speaking viewers. Привет, ребят, девчат. Ваше колесо, или Crazy Russian, как вы называете. Я здесь не делаю на русском много обзоров или каких-то других стримов. Все на канале, который я напишу здесь, вот по этой ссылке. Окей? На канал называется Crazy Russian AK. Там дурки и всякая другая фигня, готовки и всякая, да. И буду я еще собирать автомат. Там тоже я собираю автомат. То есть кто подписался в последнее время от Немагии, может быть случайно, я не знаю как. Где-то еще меня рекламировали люди, просто так. Так что вот на каналчик, который будет прям по ссылочке здесь. Отлично. Okay, guys, switch to English. Few adjustments I just need to do on YouTube when we're warming up. So save change is good. The reason I start broadcasting a little bit late today, I got a couple of requests. It's probably too earlier, but for some people, in West Coast, it's definitely it's 11 p.m. Eastern Daytime, so 3 hours behind. It's 8. I'm not sure how you enthusiastic about model trains, but maybe too hot on the mic. We'll go like this, but we don't want that. We'll see how it goes. I think 8. I'm sorry, not 9 a.m. and I have a evening broadcast as well. So let me check a couple of things here. Also, yes, again, I'm broadcasting on both platforms, on Twitch and YouTube, on my main DCCTRAIN channel on YouTube. So I put a couple of, after recognizing my broadcast is going to nowhere, so I got a couple of different words, keywords with hashtag. We'll see how it goes. All right. I'm expecting a lot of people on, guys, on YouTube. I'm sorry, on Twitch. But for YouTube guys who watching me early in the morning, we'll see how it goes. I didn't get really complaints. A couple of guys just saying if I can start later, but I need to go to the store soon. So, all right, let me check one thing here, and we'll start it very quick. Okay, so I can see chat. All right. Very cool. So usually on YouTube I have more viewers, but again, it's not really scheduled. That's the reason I schedule for 9 a.m., but I just push it a little bit later. So let's get started. So today, for some moderators on Twitch, I'm new channel. No, I'm new channel, and I'm doing in electronics for model chains. I ask creative to create administration on creative community, if I should say, to get me a special model chain, model trains or something like hashtag. So I will be specifically in electronics. I put that broadcast on robotics, so it's some electronics involved and some commands as well. So hopefully this will help. If you have, so today in our quick, my point is to administration of the Twitch. I will show a couple of boxing, but it's definitely not unboxing. I'm talking about electronics and model chains. Also assembling and testing, all that stuff. But you can see two boxes near that camera. That will be review with some elements. I need to open it. Not later, maybe later today, maybe my next review of two new product, two locomotives from Athearn. And all questions I will answer right away after the presentation will be over, okay? So today, again, I'm just showing you my next review will be about those new Athearn product. Very unique new approach that was surprise to me. So they paint it as already kind of used, already faded paint, okay? And those two locomotives are ready for just weathering, whatever you're going to do with them. Probably not gonna leave it. That will be a little bit unusual. But today I'm so let's put these guys. I just need another probably. Oh, here we go. I have a little bit limited space with a lot of electronics around, but that's fine. So also I have a couple of figurines with servo control or motorized. They very cool. I will do review on them as well, but we'll just put the one guy. Yeah, let's open this guy. So we're in the figure. Somebody tell me, one Russian-speaking guy telling it's not clear or something. Is that my mic? I'm using different mic today. Or if you're just joking, my man, that's fine too. Okay, let's just put this guy here. So tiny. I'm just showing you. Let's use hands. Just showing you the size of the decoder who is first time here from the Twitch channel. Kind of quiet on Twitch. Yes, I wasn't surprised. It's not surprised me. Nobody going to watch it here. Yeah, that's no problem at all. So today I'm going to show you that tester. It's new tester from ESU. So the difference between them, because I'm not sure. Again, I'm just doing what you guys getting first time. So they put more LEDs for more function testing. They definitely put extra plugs here. Need to figure out what's going on. So when I figure out, I will do more. But that's just like you're getting item first time, and that's what you're getting. Okay, so it's definitely 8-pin plug, 6-pin plug. what's this, plugs, standard from like speaker motor. That's for testing that white. Actually, let's get it open. It's my knife. And see, usually the plug for connecting to the figurines there you go. Okay, connecting to the your digital system for testing. It's in oh, here we go. It's just very tight fit. Here we go. Oh, just put it here. Okay, so that's the plug connecting to. It just sits on some double-sided tape. Probably need to clean it right away. It's kind of looking a little bit weird. So looks good. So standard switch for different impedance of the speaker. Okay. It's all good. Now, same size speaker, but actually they put some screws finally. Usually just it was sitting, so you need to glue it here. But that's okay. Means if you only traveling, those two LEDs, I really want to see what's the deal with those two LEDs. Now this plug, that's mystery to me. Again, plugs and 21 pin, the female part of it. Okay, obviously 8-pin plug, 6-pin plug. The input for the signal usually stays the same. We'll test it, of course. And I'm usually small crocodiles. I got them. I think the Radio Shack still has them, or any electronic store. So here I go. So I'm just connecting them here, or you can use the plug. Okay, with a screw terminal. Okay. Simple. And the other part going to, that's the reason how it looks like mobile, right? Very simple again. So let me, maybe not. No, we should be good. Should be good. All right. Now, they changed the motor for sure. The motor is much nicer looking, smaller motor. Just zip tied it here, which is absolutely perfect. I'm using zip ties always, so that's good idea. And what? Yes, they solder everything here to those pins. I think we still have one old one at the shop, but so what I'm going to do, I'm going to solder. We'll keep that figurine, guys. So if somebody from Twitch will come to watch it and see the figurine, I have figurine, and one day I'm going to show you how guys I'm painting it. Okay. So very cool. My standard soldering gun. Need to connect actually. There we go. Okay. братан, кочевник, я не хочу, братан, отвлекаться на только по делу давай. Нет, просто пойдешь в бан. Я не шучу. Ты меня уже узнал, наверное, очень хорошо. Я делаю только... Мы потом дурака завтра приходи, там дурака валять. Здесь мне просто фокусируюсь на вещи, на презентацию. Okay, guys, just one warning for the guy Russian speaking from Belarus, because I'm just doing my presentations and I want to concentrate on it. I hope this is clear for you, my man, okay? A little bit tired of that all crappy stuff I'm getting. Okay, okay, you got it. So, and usually I'm not joking. Yeah. So let's do it. I soldered here resistor just for testing purposes. What I'm going to do, and I'll show you how I'm using the tester actually. For years, guys, 4 years I'm doing it. Let's get my face maybe just out. Yeah. Or maybe we can put it here. If it's cool with you guys, okay? We just put it small face right here. And I'm still new to OBS. I'm using OBS Open Broadcast software to do that broadcasting. Is that cool? Yes, so here we go. Just checking what's going on here. Yeah, live broadcast, guys. It can be some phone can call, you know, kids can come, dog or cat can come. All right. So no problem. One thing I want to check. Yeah, we're not on autofocus. I'm using another camera. This is from the phone. The other camera is just show like panoramic view. We don't need that. So we should be good. Yeah, I want to check one thing real quick. And we'll start it. Oh yeah, pretty cool. Checking on Twitch. Yeah, I don't know how to. It's 4 live channels and electronics. I just want to see. Yeah, okay. Cool. So it's working. No problem. All right. Make sure chat is working too, so I can answer your questions after that. Okay. So I'm going to use 8-pin plug, and again, I'm using it for years. And my figurine's still here, the guy. Okay. So you can see the size of electronics for model chains who is first time here. So I'm going to use that 8-pin plug to do the job. This is ESU plug from ESU decoder. Maybe that will be even better for you guys, okay? See, they make 2 special like holes here to trace all wires. I'm not gonna do it for today, but usually yes, I'm just putting all wires from the decoder through those 2 holes, and just for secure purposes, so wire's not gonna mess up. Okay, so sometimes I'm using my glasses, but it's just easy for me to use the lens. Let's see how it's working. Hopefully we're not getting crazy reflection, or we're getting crazy reflection. So I can show you how I'm doing this. It's some reflection. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that should do it. Okay. This is okay, guys. That's good with me. So, because I'm doing it every day, all day long. Yeah, some reflection still. Maybe this way. Ah, that should do it. Okay. So first, I'm setting my soldering gun to 500, and you will see the tip. You'll see everything right there. Should do this like closer, closer. Oh yeah, like that. How about that? Perfect. So, and again, I'm using my fingernails to, because I'm using only very high quality components and all that stuff. So just don't like cheap junk. You might need to get some cutters like that to strip those wires. But again, those very nice decoders from ZIMO, made in Austria. I usually have no problem with quality, so let's do it. Some wires already stripped to the size, but I'm not really happy with this, so what I'm going to do, I'm going unsolder that resistor. I can see some flux even here, just like that. Sometimes I'm using my anti-static placemat, but we should be good today with that. No, like this. Yeah, color correction also. Maybe get rid of the auto balance. White balance, is it? Can I get to it? That's probably messes up. Here we go. No, it's not auto balance. Like white balance. Oh well. So it's just a little bit messing up of position. Yeah, like that. Okay, cool. That should do it. That should be fine. So then I'm taking my tweezers. Again, guys, if you're doing this on a regular basis every day, you need good tools. So what I'm doing right now, using my see, bunch of stuff, I need to clean it. I'll clean it later, because I did a few days ago, I did like massive soldering like event. Yeah, and I'm just taking those tweezers, and 500 enough. See, that's small soldering gun. No, it's not enough. Let's go 550. It's a little bit different than you have like standard soldering gun for electronics, but this is for micro parts to fix like small transistors, capacitors, whatever on the microchip, and I can do it here. Just need to wait a little bit, get rid of it. I think the temperature is a little bit high, because the solder turns to, but that's fine right now. When I'm going to solder back wires, I will reduce the temperature. Yeah, for right now, I'm fine. I have another soldering gun, but that kind of job I'm doing at the shop, like it takes. But for presentation today, we should do it very, very fine. Just wait extra few seconds so it's melted. Okay. Uh, 5:30. Hello, Christian. I'm doing kind of unannounced. I didn't announce that broadcast. A couple of guys requested to do those presentations later. That's what I'm doing. But again, I didn't announce it at all. So we'll see how it goes. Last week, I got a lot of unsubscribers, I think, and subscribers. But I think YouTube just cleaning their database from, you know, the channels not following rules or whatever. So it looks like this. Again, it's probably solder also not high quality. I can tell you right away. And the temperature just a little higher enough to make that looks like flat, not shiny. Okay, we definitely figure out how to not mess with the lights. Okay, so I have that junk and I'm immediately cleaning it. That's me. Put that resistor in a special, and I have like special container with the usually I have a different that's fine, you can do it. Just be careful with your hands. My skin is very rough because I'm surprised probably for you, somebody don't know me. I'm doing like martial arts working at my own yard. I just like that heavy. Oh, our guy fell off. Where are we putting the guy? Maybe here. So who's coming to figurines? They at least will stay for a second. I'll show. The guy, this guy is actually from the set. Oh, well, let's put another guy. Those are from the set for. Oh no, that guy is nuts. Don't wanna. Yeah, here we go. So from like what's the name? Steam engine crew. Many thanks. When you went live, it has been night time for me. So 5:30. So you play Christian. Where are you from, my man? Tell me. Like in Europe, UK? It's guys. I have like thousands, not millions, but thousands different contacts. Try to remember all of you, but it's hard. So okay, so everything's cool so far. I'm checking. Yeah, we have some viewers on Twitch. Wow. So it's not wasted time. Pretty cool. Yes. Then the video again. Today I didn't announce that. Usually it's at 8. I'm sorry, 9 a.m. Eastern Daytime. The time changed soon, but it will be the same time. I'm repeating that, guys, same time over again. Just make sure you're comfortable with the time. Now, let's rock. Rob is gonna probably kick my butt. I want to strip it again. I want to strip all those wires. First, I want to cut them because I don't like the different length. That's how I am. Very precise. And some people just getting you, Alex, too much is going on with you. You know, also, I'm going to do proper installation. Okay? nobody chatting what's the name, on Twitch. It's okay. If you guys welcome to ask questions what I'm doing, especially on Twitch. YouTube viewers probably know me much better what I'm doing, but somebody first time on the Twitch, yeah. Again, that's how I'm going to do. I'm just using my fingernails. Actually, no. I'm just going to do my standard first. Yeah, that's maybe, this is a little bit older decoder, so wire's not that flexible. Oh, I know what I did. Also, I put some lotion today. I know what's happened. It's okay. No problem. That's why. Here we go. Doing this in the angle. Here we go. I don't need to strip. I'm stripping green, but I'm not gonna strip. Where is it? Oh, it's supposed to be violet. The brown's supposed to be violet, but this is older ZIMO. Not really older, but old. Yes. Because the sound decoder is coming with a violet wire, but it's just check the manual for the decoder, please. I think I stripped them all. Here we go. If you putting lotion, maybe waiting some time when you're doing installation, definitely not touching your locomotives and cars and everything with the hands covered with lotion. So I'm using my again, usually just putting them like that, and some of them a little bit longer. Yeah, again, wires were, oh, I forgot the red one. Uh-oh. It's okay. Don't want to mess with that stuff. Let's get and I'm going to 520 right now because it takes like few just milliseconds, really. Done. Ah, that looks a little bit weird. Yeah, green, and finish with the red soon. Okay, blue common, yellow a little bit short, that's good enough. And I'm always surprising, yes, means you have a lot of fun stuff to do, guys, but on Saturday morning. But I'm going to show you some good stuff only, so you're not gonna waste your time. All right, very nice. And here I'm getting a little bit better with organizing everything. The only one wire turns, I remember I just pull it too much, but that's okay. Now, first four wires, usually I remember it by, I just remember it, but just in case I'll bring another decoder to show you exactly where's the exactly color going. All right. So this is an ESU micro, select micro, here I go, with 8-pin plug, same plug right here. Just those made, I'm not sure, they might move. It was before, it was everything made in Europe. The soldering part was a little bit better, okay, no offense for manufacturers, but now I think it's made in China someplace, and it's okay. Look at my soldering and look at this. We'll check it together later. So I have here orange, and so number one is maybe Rob. Hold on. Yeah, that's part of the life. I'm going to the shop real quick after this. So number 1 and 8 in diagonal here. So if you flip it accidentally, you don't know where's the plug it goes. Usually it says 1 on a pin like here, or star. Show you. That means pin number 1. Tell me if you don't know about it. See the star? Here? Yes? Yes. That's your pin number 1. Switzerland. Okay. Fantastic. Thank you, sir. That's a gentleman from Switzerland watching me. Okay. See, same plug, just a little bit wacky soldering here, but that's okay. So 4 wires going in that slot. Here we go. That's the word. Before they were separated, lengths make them separated, those slots. Now it's all together, but you still need a kind of continue with the correct order, because the diameter of that slot is not really gives you possibility to like switch them. So we'll get our first 4. It's orange for the motor, one motor output, red, blue for common, and try to group them so they're also not messing up. It's all good cable management, and it will look good on your model too. Even it's covered with, so it will be inside of the locomotive, but still make it nice. Okay, and yellow for the rear light. Okay, here we go. That's my first group, and I will do it like that. Yellow at the end, blue, orange, orange and red, really doesn't matter. Here we go. Okay. Then my second, I'm not gonna, I solder everything together when I'm trace those wires, or you can put one by one, that's fine too. So next group is white, blue, actually no, I'm sorry, no, not blue, the green for the function output, function 1, the other one just sitting by itself, you know, just sitting out, it's not going to the plug. So my green for the function output 1, and that is supposed to be violet. It's not DCC really standard, but yeah. Ah, you from, gotcha, my man. Okay, that's great. Then we passing gray, black, actually that's for the pickup, and from Christian, did you find me from Facebook, from the group? Just curiosity. From that, I think it's Brazilian, I'm not sure, Brazilian or Argentinian group. That will be fun. Just curiosity, not big deal. Yeah, I have a lot of viewers now from, you're from Central America, never mind. Yeah, or maybe you find me from that group. Okay, here I go. That's how it looks like. Looks good. All right. Yeah, not surprised. Who is watching me on Twitch? I'm doing cooking videos as well, guys. If you're boring from this presentation, come back. So I'm putting this to, if you don't have that test stand, but that's an idea. So you just get that machinery plug, okay? All right. So if you don't remember, I remember it, but just in case, see the violet wire, it's the same like that brown from ZIMO decoder, okay? But it just it's not connecting to them. So first time, from the beginning, I'm gonna solder this first row closer to wires, then I'm finished with it with here. If I'm not a couple of these figurines, guys. But that trick is not working. Promise you guys who is doing figurines, I'll show you very cool stuff, like KD, Kingdom Death, and different projects I'm usually painting. So come back. But yeah, it's just almost noon. Okay, this is Tester 186 military grade flux. One more time. If you're tired, I'm showing to you, but for somebody first time, 186 Tester. You can get that pen. We try to sell it, but it's just ridiculous for the price of the shipping, you know. So, but we usually carrying them at the store. So first, it's my. We'll go a little bit higher on the temperature. Yes. First, it's my orange wire. Here we go. Don't need a solder. Just make sure the temperature is up. Puts flux. Good to go. You can use the tweezers. I'm sometimes, again, my skin very rough after doing working outdoor and some martial arts, lifting weight and all that stuff, just like that. Honestly, I'll prefer my soldering gun at the shop. It holding power better, but that's fine too. Okay. Well, thanks, my man. Then I'm soldering my red wire here. Okay, here we go, like that. Yes. Oh, perfect. See, original solder here. I can tell you guys right away. Original solder is not high quality. So some it's like some residue left of original solder. So that's important, because my temperature is fine, but it's just like not super shiny. That's fine too. Make sure it's not just cold soldering. Cool. All right. So next is when I'm talking, I'm not super concentrating. That just bear with me. Okay. So next will be my yellow for the rear light, directional rear light. I'll just put a little bit here. But sometimes that's the reason I'm using every soldering point. I'm using flux, because again, I have some lotion on my hands, you know. But you're working with older locomotive, it can be like all oil and some stuff, grease, you know, around, so that prevents you from cold soldering for sure. Okay, that's my yellow. Okay, then common blue next to it. Yeah, it's just like not super high quality. Theoretically, I can yeah, let's put some flux too. Might take time, but at the end you will get perfect soldering points here. Sorry if I'm covering. Oh, just a little more. Here we go. Okay, good. Now green here. You can raise the temperature a little bit, but no, I will wait till it's melted and maybe just a little bit more over of the. Yeah, I can tell you guys, it's very low quality. It takes higher temperature, low quality original solder. Yeah, that's what it is. Just after 40 plus years of soldering experience, that's I can determine. All right, so next will be white for headlight. We can squeeze it like here. I should wait maybe half an hour, but its lotion also kind of very. Okay, white is done, and the black here. Yeah, just put more flux and here and extra here. Extra always good. Let's go. No, don't like it. Yes, again, I will prefer to use different soldering gun for this. Not raising the temperature. I just put it on the side here. That's fine. That's just perfect. Okay, I put the flux. Good deal. Oh, let's put more flux here. Okay. And those wires, actually, like that. Perfect. Those wires a little bit thicker too. So again, a little bit older decoder, they definitely using much less thicker wires as well. So where are we putting this guy? Here, yeah, because we connect. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just pull carefully over wires back, and you will see how it's nice. Cable means wire management, cable management, whatever you wanna say here. Okay, soldering tips today. Okay, here we go. You don't want that going cover over the soldering point, so you can do it like that. Here we go. Those wires much means less thicker too, but and the reason the time for soldering also takes like few maybe like half a second or so. No, I'm sorry, like a second or second and a half. Okay, very cool. I can see if somebody who's watching me on Twitch, can you please just say test on what's the name, on the chat window, please, for me? Make sure it's working. All right, here we go, guys. Done deal. Now make sure everything's fine. You double check it. If you're not doing it every day, usually not a lot of people doing this, but sometimes I'm getting decoder on wires, boom, and I find out the locomotive is ready for DCC with 8-pin plug. That's why. And it's only like wires coming here. There's no GST plug. Now most of them 21-pin, but still tons of locomotives with 8-pin plug around. Okay. Maybe I have an issue with the chat for sure, or maybe not. Let me text myself. Hello, chat. It's working. Well, cool. Cooly cool. So now I'm going to test it. I'm going to test that decoder and see what we can get from. Theoretically, I can add that, and actually I will do it. I need to find my tiny. For this, you need to get like tiny screwdriver, really tiny. Hold on 1 second. Usually I good on preparing to that. No, it's Phillips. I think I've got it. As I said you guys before, I'm traveling with that case all the time. Because it's hard to get the same tools, you know. So every time I'm working on layout, back to the store. Here we go. So tell you what is it exactly. It's WIHA 260. WIHA 260, 1.5 by 40. So 1.5, that's the size of the tip. Okay, that's the length of the tip, I believe, something like that. Just guessing. Okay, so that should do it. Now I need to strip that wire. Ooh, I'm not gonna put solder or flux because I don't want to mess with it. If I'm going to put flux and solder, then I need to clean it with alcohol because I don't want to put that thing in that terminal to make that terminal sticky and probably losing contact sometimes because it will definitely get messy. So what I need to get, auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2. So I need to go to input 2. Again, guys, I'm doing it first time with this tester. Okay, like exactly when you get it new. Here we go. So putting this guy here. No, not motor output. Because I don't have the terminal on the plug. With 21-pin plug, everything established already here. So I'm plugging this guy here. So orange to socket to first pin. Okay, done. Probably not sure how light's reacting with that camera, but we'll see. Again, I can connect plug, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm going to my simple. Hey, my man, haha, Twitch wake up, somebody got me. I'm good, how are you, my man? Excellent, excellent, thanks, sir. Actually switch. So you like electronics, looks like. Coming to that boring presentation. No, I'm just kidding. Even I'm soldering for years, you know, doing it for years, literally, guys. I'm still learning almost every day. So here I go. I have a special arrangement on my output from command station. We can talk about it too. Just not twist them, these guys. You can do also same approach. So gives you like that, connect them. So that guy pushed a little bit from the other guy. Okay. Not sure if you can do with all type of crocodiles clip like this. Okay. That's the decoder. Now I'm on programming mode of my it's older lens system, not older lens system, lens design for guys who doing a lot of installation work and stuff. Special, I should say, arrangement. I'm not leaving you guys. Hold on, just need to make my command station control better, extend it. I didn't do it yet. Wait, here we go. Should do that. Which tester have you used before, and which do you like the best? We'll see, my friend. I used the previous model, and I think I will use it because we have it at the store. It's probably made of gold. How many decoders I program, so I maybe keep it. Or maybe guy will show up. Some guy said, no, I don't want a new. Give me the old one. So some people prefer like older style, you know, whatever. So yeah, the previous model still good. I think I have one. Hold on. Perfect question, Christian. Thank you. That's the older model. Means how older? Well, maybe in last didn't change much. There's definitely more LEDs here. So a special plug. Oh, I forgot. This is for, to tell you, this is for ESU. That's ESU internal port for testing. I don't know what again. See, resistor means those called drossels, the special катушка индуктивности, sorry. That's prevent EMI influence, but everything digital pretty much right now. So pretty much the same. They change a little bit different plugs, and those two things I need to figure out. So here we go. That's old, that's new. Oh, you're not seeing a lot of LEDs. Yes, it's only here. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 6, 9. That's input the same as here. And it's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they add like 3 extra LEDs, maybe for functions as well. Again, I'm just speculating. All right. Let's the program decoder. Sorry, I cannot move. I need better extension. Sorry, guys, again. No, it will be too complicated to like move it. It's okay. So, well, I'll definitely show you what I'm doing with when I'm testing. So I'm programming it. Program direct address. See? Did you hear it again? I do it again. You barely see. Maybe turn the lights off. Not sure. Good idea. One more time. You see those lights, those two green LEDs just showing me for very low voltage and of course very low amperage signal going through, and 2 of those start flashing too. I better be careful with metal pieces. Let me get my bamboo stick. bamboo presentation stick. Here we go. That will be more secure. So if you want to show you, yeah, if you want to do some presentation on electronics, you need a dielectric tool or something. It's not connected right now, but still. Okay, so we cool. 2 of those flashing and 2 of those are directional lights. Not sure about function, and one of the functions should be here, so it will be directional lights, 1 function here, and that should work when I press function 2. Okay, now we're going to get my, that's close enough. Okay, it's here. Can I put it here? Can you see it? Yes, it's good. We can go to Logitech view though. Let's see how the Logitech camera is catching. Web camera. Not bad. Yeah, we can use it. No problem. So that's the Roku digital system, and that's what I'm using. And I have a ZIMO at my workbench at home. Okay, so very simple. Now I am turning the headlights with this button. And I need a and I need a switch, of course, from the programming track to the main track. Let's see. Here we go. Headlight. Immediately, yeah, the color correction is not really working well. Means usually with LEDs, modern camera means only like digital cameras catching it. So this is yellow, kind of yellow orangey, and this is to maybe turn the lights completely. Let's do that. Oh. Oh, interesting. Yeah, we can do that a little bit. That's fine. Huh. Just a little bit here. So, headlight, and I'm switching direction. Rear light and motor start operating. It's red, but again, it's just not showing you. Headlight, rear direction, so it's in the red. Okay, now moment of truth. I'm hitting function 1, and that light's supposed to be turning on. Ta-da! That's just green, like previous previous model of testers has the same. Now if I'm hit function 2 with that black wire, actually turn the lights on again. So with that black wire, that LED is supposed to be turned on. Is it? Yes. Ta-da! Successfully. Let's turn the lights off again. So 2 of my functions, and that red is the rear light. Function 1, on and off. Function 2, on and off. That's all functions that decoder has, okay? Pretty cool. Now, what else? Yeah, we can test the motor, so you can hear some high frequency modulation signal. You barely, the ear cannot hear it. On the lower, you can hear some kind of squeaking noise, but that's just perfect. Yeah, they put like very nice, precise quality motor. And see that when I'm changing direction, the LED is switching. Going full speed. Oh, forgot about these lights. Here I go. The C, that's the reason I didn't, that's how the voltage and LED glowing. Wow, very cool. So high frequency. I see some screws are like moving inside. Same thing here. Tells you direction. Direction here. Ooh, it's like a dentist office. And change direction. Same thing in here. Let's turn the lights off. Here, see? Changing direction. Woo! Wow, that's crazy. So, or maybe my other camera will give us a little bit better. I'm not sure, but let's see how it goes. Yeah, it gives a little bit reddish. Yeah, a little bit better. Yeah, see? Yellow, red, and two functions. Two functions, on and off, on and off, on and off. Yeah, barely can see. Maybe like this. Is it better? See, one. That's two actually. That's one. And directions. Oh, you see reflection of the LED. Oh, that's even better. So reflection works much better. What about if I will cover them with some paper? Hold on. Got thicker paper. Yeah, need to turn lights off. Oh, that's actually much better. See? Good idea. Here we go. Changing. Red. But that's so on that light's much better. See? Learning every day. Perfect. Well, I can turn even the main headlight. Ooh, yes. Good deal. Is that changed? A little bit. Anyway, here we go, guys. See how changing direction? That's perfect. Move it here, how it's getting here and changing directions. Shows you that LED here getting more power. Ah, very cool. And my functions 1 and 2. Ta-da! Boom. Actually, camera is working very, very nice. Very nice. So, 2 minutes for questions. If somebody's, I still see 5 guys watching on YouTube. I didn't refresh it. Maybe it's sometimes YouTube not counting very well. And 5 guys on Twitch. Wow. Again, it's not accurate. It may be in that creative view. I will see maybe less. Whoops. Under electronics. Design, not design, electronics. Ta-da! So 5 live channels broadcasting at the same time. Very cool. Okay, guys. If no questions, we'll just wrap it up. I will do those engine presentations also I have this car, lighted car, with the new Walters. I didn't see a lot of reviews though, so that will do sometime, maybe this week. Engine, this car probably need a little bit planned better, but well, we try our best. Cool. Thanks for coming. And if you have extra, in which train are you installing this decoder? Christian, this is just for testing. I have couple of guys who have older system. It will go to some, maybe Marklin, mostly Marklin, or who doesn't want to sound first. Marklin, high efficiency, actually low efficiency motor when I'm changing the motor, and it will go to Hug, your country company, Hug from I'm not sure where's exactly Hug. I got like nice car a long time ago. Yeah, so Hug. I just have a couple of cars, don't have the engines because I like them, but I'm not modeling Switzerland. Maybe someday, something in the mountains. That's the plan. Probably won't be an American prototype. All right, so let me check. Yeah, it means obviously Twitch is working for sure, like 100%. And no live channels. That's surprising. Electronics. So what I did, I click on electronics on Twitch live, and then bring me any live, any channels actually. Saying like no, it's there. So for viewers on Twitch, that's very cool. Thanks for watching. I can see some I think German language. I'm not sure where it's the guy from, and another looks like some doing electronics. Pretty cool. Another setup of something. Huh, I want to check those guys. Okay. You know Hug. Okay, Hug is the best. Hug made in Switzerland, which is expensive, but quality, no substitute. All right, guys, we'll wrap it up right now. Next presentation, sometimes again, I have a very busy schedule on my full-time job, but next presentation can be spontaneously, like today in the evening later. But I'll try to do those tutorials on Saturdays with some reviews as well. Let's just go with this schedule. So far, it's good. So I'm going back to 9 a.m. Eastern Date Time. So Christians, for you, it will be 2 hours earlier, because I'm getting more viewers at this time, so I'm not really making decisions. We can discuss about it. Thanks again for coming, guys. Have a good one. Bye.